there is anything Regina Daniel should be thankful of, is the grace of the wisdom people around her at this point in time. Omo, my beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing o. Just hours after Regina Daniel bought her mother two cars, like two good cars, one from the one wey accident carry and the other one wey e pa after the marriage get k-leg wey im come back come collect. Na so Regina Daniel take close eye take purchase two big cars for im mother, even though online in-laws dey talk am say na repackage dis one, na repackage dis, na repackage dat, no be new car, na refurbish, na dis, na dat. Whether na repackage, whether na refurbish, whether na rearrange, the most important part be say where e pa wan put Regina Daniel and im family, Regina na im no gree. Wey make dem dey talk am for dat adage say life go push you na you no go gree. Omo, as we speak right now, Ned Nwoko's son don come finally confirm dat thing wey Omoyele Sowore tell Mama Regina Daniel and Regina Daniel say make dem take steps with immediate effect make dem move. The son don finally confirm am my people. When information dey come, una go talk say where dis people dey get dis information? E go dey shortalize una, but wetin fit shock person pass na the fact say make you just sit down like dat, make your enemy waka come meet you. Na dat one na im go shock you pass. But for the fact say you don already know am, you don dream am, you don see am, the enemy no fit get power over you again. My people, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter wey dey ground. Wonders dey say e shall never end. Tori don worwor. Before I go cap una wetin dey sup, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Let me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so that they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My people, no be small thing o. Una know talk say Omoyele Sowore bin don come tell Regina Daniel mama say based on wetin happen to im lawyer Marshal, e no go want make the same thing happen to Mama Regina Daniel. Most especially now wey be say e pa don try all im possible best to make sure say e get Regina Daniel back. E don enter village for where, e don enter elders for where, e don even go where e no even suppose go, just for on top of Regina Daniel head for where e no still work. Last at the end of the day, wetin come happen? Im dey try everything by all means to make sure say im get Regina by fire by force. Imagine the first time wey Regina Daniel comot, wey she come cry out say in Ned Nwoko's house she is nobody, but in her father's house she is a queen. No be im e pa carry people make dem go kpakpo Sammy from Lagos, na so dem drive am down to Abuja. Dey carry am from one kirikiri to the other, say dem come later end up for Suleja Kirikiri, just because of say Regina Daniel say she no do. Sotey he practically said it that he is not going to release him. According to the Regina, no be me talk am, say he pa talk say he no go release her brother Sammy until the Regina Daniel carry herself, report herself by herself. Else, he no go release Sammy. But because of say online in-laws come carry the matter for head that time, they no gree and carry the matter for head say free Sammy, Oga free Sammy. If you want Regina Daniel back, you have so many ways to do it. No be to come hold im brother. Oga free Sammy. If Regina Daniel say she no do again, na Regina you marry, no be im family. Why you dey hold im family? Free Sammy, na shame. Come tie am wrapper, wear am aligogoro with high heel. E come shame, clean the lipstick wey dem put for im mouth, come release Sammy. Now na im make Omoyele Sowore come talk say, in order for wetin happen to Marshal, wey we say they dey fight injustice matter, before you know, they go put things and things for inside Marshal room. Before you know, na so they take convince Marshal and Ned Nwoko, according to the report and rumor, allegedly, say na him do all those things because the guy no dey into all these things. Say, so how come they can't go find out that thing for inside in house on that particular day, based on say if you want travel go attend to another case, then they say in they run away and they don't catch am red-handed. Before you know, before we go say Jack, they later carry Marshal, wey be lawyer, carry am go put for inside kirikiri. Person wey be say he know the law well, how he go come soak in hand for such kind of thing. Last na the Omoyele Sowore still look for how they take comot am for where dem comot am from. Now im come dey talk and say, with the way in dey see things, una know say Ipa carry house gift give Mama Regina Daniel, and at the house na she dey. She say she no go leave the house. So im go advise make Mama Regina Daniel, if she know wetin good for her, make she find another way to comot for that place. Make Ipa no even know her whereabout. Make him no know where she go and wetin she dey do for herself. Else, wetin happen for 1960 go repeat itself. We think say Omoyele Sowore just dey exaggerate, or e just dey think aloud. Say nothing like that fit ever happen. E no go ever think go that direction because people go ask question. But where we dey think am dey go, the think am dey come. Now Omoyele Sowore still let the mama know, talk say e never even reach anywhere. Now Ipa tell the whole world say your son Sammy na him dey supply his sister druggy. E never reach anywhere. Now Ipa still tell people say his sister wey be Destiny also dey take druggy. E never reach anywhere. Now Ipa still talk and say Cassie wey be Regina Daniel best friend, they also dey supply druggy. She too, she dey into the druggy, and that if they go rehabilitate Regina Daniel, if they go put her for rehab, now only him na him be vegetarian. Now only him na him no dey take all those things wey they go allow make e come dey see Regina Daniel. So as such, everybody in her family is into druggy. So you see say if they go want set them up, e dey very, very easy because the record will be that Ipa once said it, that the family dey into druggy. Imagine say go carry the biggest of them all, that one wey be Coca-Cola, come go put am for inside Sammy room. They come kpakpo Sammy. Wetin im go explain? Before you go know, Jack e don dey for kirikiri because they never even talk say hello, hi, wey bring how are you. They don carry Sammy go put her for Suleja kirikiri. They never even talk go far. Not to come talk of say they come catch am with DRUG, the ogbonge of them all. Omo, this matter wey we dey talk, we no go dey talk am again. Na Omoyele Sowore advice. Na they say e never even reach how many hours. After which Regina Daniel my mama come post say make dem help her thank Regina Daniel. Say see wetin happen. You know say when we been dey talk and say all the property wey Ipa buy give the family, Ipa settle down collect them. All the ones wey im buy give Regina Daniel, both car and so on and so forth. No one wey Regina Daniel take comot for the house. Rather, he collect them. In short, she don't even carry anything, including wig and all. He collect everything and he comot with nothing. All the cars wey im dey buy all the while na family car. If you dey go, you dey drop am. You no buy anyone for your name. When we dey talk and they go say, bloggers, now una dey cause problem. Bloggers, una too talk. Bloggers, una dey there. Bloggers, una dey inside the house. How una dey take know all this information? If to say Mama Regina Daniel no come talk am practically now, say the order of her car, they collect am. People wey buy am for am collect am. And the other one again, he use am get accident. I didn't mean you no talk her like that now. Una no go still believe bloggers. But last, it is what it is. Now Regina Daniel stepson the Ned Nwoko son, that one wey be say e no dey use Regina Daniel play, wey be say na him even miss her pass everybody, wey practically tell him father the other day say, daddy, make you calm down. Regina Daniel is not a bad person. Please allow her have access to her son. Allow her see her children. It is not fair. It is not good. Wey in dey provoke say, how dare the boy tell am what to do? How dare the boy tell am say, Regina Daniel should see her children? Him mama dey come see am. He allow him mama to see am. He say, he is now a grown-up boy. If he want to go and see his mother, he can go and see his mother. But those ones, they are still children. They don't know anything and they cannot say or do anything otherwise. So please, for that reason, you should allow Regina Daniel go see her son. Now him be dey stand, dey fight with him papa, give him papa breathing space at all at all. Now him dey say this guy come call Regina Daniel, come dey tell Regina Daniel say, he will advise her. He no wan just go direct by telling Ipa say, this one no, this one, that one no. He just go straight to the point. He tell Regina Daniel say, he will advise Regina Daniel that those cars wey she buy give her mama, make her mama pack am comot for that house. And if possible, make the mama comot for that house in totality. Make she comot for that house, make she look for another house, and make sure say she get security, make her security tight well well. That is his own, because he no wan let the Regina Daniel know talk say he hear anything or he see something. Because Regina ask am say, has he perceived anything? Did he hear anything? What did he hear? The boy insist. He said he did not hear anything for his own safety. You understand? So he is no longer a child. He should know what to say and when to say it. We practically said it. He said nothing. He no hear anything. But this matter wey in dey tell Regina Daniel, so make them act upon am with immediate effect. Those cars, she should pack them out of that house, and at the same time make all her sister, her brother, her family, im mama, everybody, make them pack comot for that house. And make sure say she gets securities, and make the securities dey very very tight for her own good, to avoid stories that touches the heart. I say my body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. Where you go know red flag na from when in-law go buy property give your mama finish. When una no do again, you go come say you wan collect am. Where you go know red flag na when you and in-law get problem. He tell your brother say make dem no dey come in house again. He no wan see your brothers and your sisters for in house again. Na where you go know red flag na where husband carry your brothers go put them for, carry your family go put am for kirikiri because of misunderstanding. Where you go know red flag na when, if you do pen, man go tell you say, this one, that one, how dare you bring your friends come and go and sleep. He hold your wife, you dey turn am to small pikin, dey turn am to your child. Even small pikin sef, e get limit to how you go take talk to that small pikin. Na Regina Daniel come dey ask the boy say, okay, they should relocate. That okay, no problem. That they are even working on that. That it's been long. They have started working on it. If not for the mother that is stubborn, that she has told her mother already to leave that place. But the mother, she don't even understand that woman. Now he say, with immediate effect, they talk am for something of tomorrow, next tomorrow. Say if they know wetin good for them, make them look for how they go take comot for that house and pack those cars and let their security be very very tight. Even if it means her packing all the money wey she make for this life, use am get securities, make e dey tight, e go better for them. Na so the boy take end call. Regina Daniel dey panic, everybody dey panic. Say that thing wey Omoyele Sowore come talk, no be lie, e lie o, no be personal vendetta. Allegedly, no be personal vendetta because you know say Ned Nwoko come talk and say the thing wey Sowore get on top of him head na personal vendetta. In dey use Regina Daniel vulnerable moment, they take enter, they get one or two, where no be saying love Regina Daniel, na just to get to him based on wetin don happen in the past. We no know say na that kirikiri matter wey him carry, that setup wey him set Marshal up, that lawyer up, take carry am put for kirikiri. We no even know say that one dey for talk. Now until when I come dey hear say, that one don tey o, that one no be lie at all. Na Ned Nwoko, because na this VDM matter na him come make people know talk say na Ned Nwoko na him make that guy enter kirikiri, wey make Blord start dey call am ex-convict. Na Ned Nwoko na him carry am enter kirikiri o. Because of Omoyele Sowore matter, injustice matter, arrest matter, wetin no dey get head, you dey use your power dey push am by force. Na wetin cause the guy kirikiri wey make am turn to ex-convict overnight o. Na im make dem dey warn Mama Regina Daniel now. No be to happy jump come out social media o. No be to happy say glory be to God o. No be to say congratulations o. Bad news no go be our portion o. Act fast. This one wey be say the son don tell una, even though you no wan talk wetin im ear hear, but they say na with your tongue that you go take count your teeth, wey you go count am complete. No allow anybody come count am for you o. For the fact say God lead the son to come tell una this thing, na to walk. In short, if you dey waka sef, you are wrong. Na make your leg dey touch your bum bum. Make you run for your dear life now before it is too late. Abi guys, what do you guys think? Do you think this guy is just acting, that he didn't hear anything, he's just advising? Or Mama Regina Daniel should walk, in short, anyhow wey she wan take do, even on her rent, she dey go find am, make she go find am, go stay. All her family, all the Regina Daniel family, make dem even scarce comot for the internet join am. Make una come, make we interact. So do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.